Today I'm going to teach you how to make 5 really easy flags. The first one is Argentina. You just have to bring the white part, this row, to the blue part, like this. Or people who can't do this, you can just do up, bring the blue side up, and again. And then bringing it back is easy. You just put these two sides down, and if you like to do it the advanced way, you just bring it up, and it looks like this. The next one is the France flag. It's really easy, but it's harder than all the other flags. You first bring the green and red side up, so you see it like this, and then you turn this side, this blue side, to the left, and then you flip it over and bring these two, this side up, and then you have this, and you just bring it to the right, down, left, up, and here you have it. And then when you bring it up, when you solve it, it's easy. You just bring this down, right, and bring this side up again, and put it left. So this part comes in. And it's really easy then. You just have to bring this part down. Can't you see? Down. And then after this point, you don't even need my help. You just see it like this. Right, down. That's it. The next flag is the Spain flag. If you're really good at it, you just have to bring this yellow part down and done. But if you're basically a beginner, you do this. Put this red side up to the yellow side, and put this red side up to the yellow side. And Spain flag. Bring back is easy peasy. Just bring this down, bring this down. But if you're really advanced, you just have to do this, and then you just have to bring it up. Can't you see? And then Portugal is really easy. You just have to turn the side. So first you have the green side up, white side to which way? Right. And then you just have to bring this green side down. That's it. And then easy peasy, you just bring it up, and when you're done. And then the Austria flag, the last flag we have. If you're like not a beginner, you just bring this white part down, Austria flag. But if you're a beginner, you have to bring this. If you don't have to, but if you know how to do these slice thingies down, then you can do it. But like, if you bring this red side, if you're a beginner, you can bring this red side up, and then bring this red side up, and then you have the Austria flag. And then you make the opposite of the Spain flag. And bringing it back is easy. You either put this down and this down, but if you're more like an advanced guy, you just bring this up. And that's it. Like and subscribe for more.